Go, Daddy, go. Stop crawling.
Look, Dustin. Look at Daddy. I'll show you how. No, that's not how you do it. It's called a flop. Hey. See? See, that's how you do it. Yeah. Get up on your knees. There you go. Nope, don't fall over. Come on. Yep. You gotta get up on your knees first and then do that.
Dustin.
Come on, buddy. You can crawl. Yeah. Watch Daddy. Maybe Mommy should do it. Hey. Justin. I don't think so, buddy.
Ooh, cord.
Ooh. So we're going to have those two out here, and then we have found a recliner that was a smaller one that's actually like